Rumors surrounding the iPhone 17 Air have been gaining traction, with leaks suggesting that Apple might be working on one of its thinnest iPhones yet. While earlier low-resolution leaks provided a vague idea, a new high-quality concept by Y Studio offers a much clearer visualization of what this sleek device could look like in reality. The render showcases the iPhone 17 Air in someone's hand, appearing remarkably slim. According to leaks, the phone may measure just 5.5 millimeters in thickness, a significant reduction compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's 8.25 millimeters. For perspective, even the iPhone 6, the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever released, was 6.9 millimeters thick. If these dimensions hold true, the iPhone 17 Air could rival the M4 iPad Pro's 5.3mm thickness in its 11-inch variant. The concept also reveals a striking design shift, featuring a single-lens rear camera housed in a horizontal bar layout. This marks a considerable departure from the multi-camera configurations seen in modern iPhones, suggesting Apple may be prioritizing an ultra-thin profile. However, such a slim form factor likely comes with compromises. To achieve this level of thinness, Apple might have to reduce the number of camera lenses and shrink the battery capacity compared to the Pro models. This trade-off could impact both photography capabilities and battery life, raising questions about whether the aesthetic improvements justify the functional reductions. Meanwhile, Asher's renders of the iPhone 17 Pro reveal that Apple is keeping the triangular camera layout but expanding the camera island to cover the entire width of the device, making it look more like a Xiaomi design. The Pro models are also expected to feature an upgraded 48-megapixel periscope lens with 5x zoom, a significant improvement over the 12-megapixel version in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Jon Prosser's front-page tech video, with the help of Zelzoy, further confirms that the iPhone 17 Air will replace the Plus model, featuring a single rear camera, a non-Pro A19 chipset, and an ultra-thin 5.5mm design, while Apple is also introducing a titanium frame to strengthen the device without making it too heavy or expensive. In terms of lineup positioning, reports indicate that the iPhone 17 Air may replace the Plus model, sitting between the base iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro. It is expected to feature a 6.6-inch OLED display, with a refresh rate potentially reaching 90 Hz, a step above the base model but below the Pro's 120 Hz. The device is likely to debut Apple's in-house 5G modem, which is rumored to be launching next week, along with the A19 chip. Additionally, Apple is expected to improve wired charging speeds across the lineup, increasing from approximately 30 watts in the iPhone 16 series to 35 watts, a modest but welcome upgrade given Apple's historically conservative approach to battery technology. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch in 2025, with pricing speculated to start around $999, aligning with the current Plus models.